Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make cauliflower Manchurian. It's going to be a dry Manchurian. So I have cut it into small floret and pat it dry with a kitchen paper towel and keep it aside. Let's go ahead and make the masala. For the masala, I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt as per your taste. Just mix everything together with 1 tablespoon oil. We're going to make this in an air fryer today. You can deep fry the same with the same recipe. So let's add a little water and mix it evenly. Make sure there is no lump. Let's go ahead and add the florets and coat it with the masala. We're going to keep it for marination for 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and air fry the floret at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the florets are almost done. We can keep it for another 3 more minutes. While the florets are getting cooked, let's go ahead and make the rest of the masala. I have here 1 tablespoon of oil. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. To that, I'm adding 1/4 cup of chopped bell pepper, let's cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. To that, we are going to add 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of siracha, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. To that, we are going to add 1 cup of chopped spring onion, if you like, you can add 1 chopped green chili too. So after 8 minutes, the florets are looking really nice. We're going to add that to our masala here and mix it well. Cook it for 2 minutes on low flame until it's dry. Manchurian is ready to be served. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.